So, welcome tonight to the EvoRich presentation, business training and news and updates. Stuart and Tracy are out and about at the moment, and Stuart sends his apologies once again. He may drop in a little bit later. So let's get stuck into the presentation because there's so much excitement happening around the EvoRich eco community. So I'll just get my slides ready. Here we go. Yep, and share the slides. Okay, yep. With me. Share my screen. Here we go. Getting the right ones together. Okay, from beginning. So, welcome to tonight's presentation, EvoRich, the evolution of richness. Why do we do what we do? Because we care. As seen in the promo video just a minute ago, we care about people because people are the most important assets in our lives and the most important assets to this planet. The evolution of richness is upon it, and we are shouting from the rooftops because there's plenty to be excited about. Because we create dream realization. We don't let small minds convince us that our dreams are too big. Because when you start dreaming, you start shaping, you start planning, you start acting, and you start the dream realization process. You start simply creating a better tomorrow because you dreamt it, you visualized it, you manifested it in the most powerful weapon that we have on the planet, our minds. So what dreams do you have here tonight? When was the last time you sat down with people you care about and worked out a business plan? When was the last time you went to bed absolutely happy, enthused, and not angry about the world? That's the worst thing that my grandmother used to tell me. Never go to bed angry, Robert. So I didn't. I made sure that I went to bed happy. So business plans, all these dreams, they all begin with our minds. And this is what we encourage. We even have education courses around helping you to dream and to help you to visualize and realize those dreams and reward yourself for your great work. Whether it's reconditioning the old home, creating a new one, designing one for the future. These are great goals, especially if you're helping your teenage sons or daughters to buy their first car, especially if you've helped them create an income for them, which doesn't come out of your pocket, but they buy their first car for cash. What a great feeling that is. It may be planning a holiday, local or international, depending on what's going on, depending on whether you're creating an asset management portfolio or simply just tucking away a few dollars each week, each month, so that you can create something in the future for yourself or the people you care about. Because the most important asset in our lives and the most measurable is time. It cannot be replaced. It cannot be manufactured. It is something that is very precious. So to have great wealth, to have great health, you will create great time in your life. And this is some of the subjects that we teach at EvoRich. Whatever your mind and dreams can conceive, to believe, EvoRich can help you achieve. And this is important.
You are what your business is. You can feel insecure on the market when there are so many difficulties in other businesses because you're young and green. But don't be afraid of it. Come to us. We will open new doors for you. We will introduce you to everyone and teach you everything you need to know to get stronger and start your own way. Now you are strong and ready to go forward, to achieve, to set new goals, and to overcome obstacles. And even if the wind of change and challenge is here, we will not leave you behind. We will support you and help you in any difficult situation. you will be able to achieve any goal. We have people in our community who are just like you, who started from zero and are ready to help each other for shared development and prosperity. There are so many of us. Nothing can stop us. And when you become experienced and respectable, you will share your wisdom and vision so that everyone could develop. That is the way we build our future together. The future of financial freedom and independence. That is how EvoRich works. The world where everyone can do anything. Everyone can become rich. To leave a legacy. This is our global mission. This is EvoRich.
Yes, it's not just about becoming rich in a monetary sense. It's about becoming wealthy. It's about becoming rich in all aspects of life. Spiritually, vocationally, community-wise, all aspects of life are treated the same. Because when you are valuing yourself, you are valuing the community and the environment around you. But first, my name is Bob Fordham. I'm a EvoRich international speaker and new community partner program consultant and a wealth creation coach. And I live on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. EvoRich is a coaching and mentorship company specializing in international marketing, sales, and self-development and leadership strategies like you've never experienced before. Personally, I am a member of the Generals of the World for Peace, and you too can be a member of the World Generals for Peace at their website. We'll get to that a little bit later. And this is a very, very important association that we are very, very proudly a part of. I'm also a graduate of the MLCI and 260 training course from the Academy of the Private Investor, which is the API, and also the GoPro in 2020, which was a 3-day course that was created by Eric Worre and the Network Marketing Pro team with some 50,000 plus online participants. It was an incredible event. Personally, also, I'm a loving father of a 32-year-old son who has been 32 for the last 32 years. That's another story. And I also have 3 life memberships for local Australian football and sporting organisations. I've had a journey like everybody else. I've had many successes, many failures, many low lows and many high highs. But at the end of all days, I decided never ever to give up on my dreams. I've always been wanting to get educated and always ask questions. So I've discovered that to enjoy wealth, you have to have your number one wealth, your health. So balance and energy is everything. And I've become a specialist in natural health, neuro-linguistic programming, NLP, a master practitioner, also in hypnotherapy. I'm also a nutritional specialist and a co-author of 3 natural health books. So summing that up, the formula for great health is to honor your brain, your heart, and your gut. Your heart may be on the left, but it's always right. Great saying. So I've become super passionate about sustainability because the environment is where we evolve, where we co-create great things. So the triple bottom line for a brighter future must be stimulating our planet inside our local community and national and international community. There are no borders. We are one people under one planet and in one dimension in this lifetime, one economy, one environment. So we only get one chance to do the best we can. So first, a compliance and risk disclaimer. Yes, the good old boring investment compliance. So EIP is an educational information product. These are exceptional value inside the EvoRich community. The MLCI is the multi-level crowd investing. This is our marketing platform, which has been recently acknowledged by the Direct Selling Association in America as being one of the greatest network marketing sales models on the market today. We also have the World CRU, the World Crypto Unit, which are security tokens and/or STOs, which are digital stock analogies. These are part of the decentralized financial world, the cryptocurrency world, which is taking the world by storm. The EvoRich and its partners do not sell, and we do not have a license to sell shares or tokens. This is held by one of our affiliate partners, the UGPay Group AG. All countries have their own rules for the sale of financial products, and we comply with the rules and laws of each and every one of these countries. Most countries allow the sale of information products without a special license. We offer the opportunity for you to participate in wealth building training, which provides the fundamental principles on which wealth is created and, most importantly, maintained and sustained. Please do your own due diligence or request confirmation from a licensed accountant or financial advisor in your local area for compliance with the requirements in your local state or country. And please make sure that that person also has done their 100% due diligence so that they are qualified to give you the right advice. If they haven't, find somebody who can. So let's look at the EvoRich business presentation, which I've skipped a couple of slides with a clicky, mouse.
Hello everyone, and welcome to you if you're watching this presentation for the first time. During this presentation, you'll find out more about the company called EvoRich. You'll hear some very interesting and unique information which perhaps you've never heard before. What you're going to do with this information after the presentation? Well, we'll leave that up to you. This will only take about 20 minutes, but do pay attention as you may miss out on something very important. The agenda of today's presentation is as follows. Today's reality in the world. What is the EvoRich ecosystem? Our MLCI business model. Our big why, our mission. The next steps to your success, and an EvoRich latest news and Q&A. So let's start with this thought. What's happening in today's world? Have you ever asked this question to yourself? How does it make you feel today? Does it make you feel angry and depressed? Or the opposite, motivated and empowered to take action and find new solutions? For sure, the current situation has shaken up the entire world due to the fact that many businesses have shut down and people have lost their jobs. This leads to the increased financial and health problems globally, the uncertainty about the future, and not being able to see the light at the end of the tunnel is creating chaos in many, many lives. However, in any situation, there are two sides, negative and positive. So why not look at this situation from another angle? Perhaps this is humanity's wake-up call, our moment to get out of our comfort zone and try something new, to try out ideas that we've only thought about, but never had the time to pursue them. Perhaps this is your time. Have you ever thought about that? If you have, and are looking for an opportunity, but don't know where and how to start, then we have some good news for you. We have the answer to these challenges. Are you ready? The answer is EvoRich. EvoRich is a global marketing platform which offers a unique business model, and you'll find out more about that in a minute. And it also offers exclusive project participation opportunities to help people from all over the world become financially independent or even free. Now, does that sound like one of your goals for this year? If yes, then keep watching. Now, here's some facts about EvoRich. Our headquarters is in the United States of America. We have more than 750,000 active partners worldwide. The information, including webinars and trainings, is provided in 11 languages officially. We have more than 1.5 million registered users in our ecosystem, so those are both active and inactive users. And what makes us even more unique is the fact that in our ecosystem, we have more than 10 unique brands. Let me share some of the projects which are in operation or will be shortly. Once you become a member of EvoRich, it gives you an opportunity to participate in all the projects of the ecosystem, without exceptions. The EvoRich ecosystem gives you access to very unique and independent brands and its products. The most exclusive offers in the market come with the opportunity to build a business across all projects of our ecosystem. Currently, fully operating projects are the Academy of a Private Investor, EduCafe, and UGPay. Soon, we will have UGain and ILC, a legal consultancy. With such an amazing variety of products and companies, our business model is unshakable by any economic or political situation in the world. Let's now dive deeper into a few projects. The most established and popular brand in our ecosystem is API, or the Academy of Private Investors, which offers online financial and investment education, which is undoubtedly the most needed product for today's society. Why do we think so? Well, because maybe only around 10% of the world's population is aware of how to manage their own money and understand the science of investing. Recent studies show that financial and investment literacy among adults is very low, which is stopping approximately 90% of the world's population from ever truly being financially free. We want to change the situation, or at least improve it. All our training courses in the Academy of Private Investors are created based on the knowledge and experience of professional coaches in the topics of personal finance, investing, leadership, and personal growth. We have more than 1 million students who have access to this information, and many lives have been changed already. You can change your life as well. Find out more information about API and its courses on the website or in your personal back office. Another project we would like to introduce to you today is UGPay Group. It is a unique project that enables every single person to become a co-owner of a global investment portfolio, which opens the doors to any investor to become a co-owner of such leading industry projects like gold mining, Kit Marble movie production, Basalt Technologies, Vanderkar diamond production, as well as various projects from the real estate sector, crypto, and even stocks and shares of leading worldwide companies. Security token WCIU ownership provides multiple income stream options to its owner, as well as having the ability to participate in top projects and exclusive investment opportunities. UGPay Group AG is registered with the SEC and incorporated in the state of Switzerland, one of the most prestigious jurisdictions in the world among the biggest asset management and investment companies, as well as the top banks. More information about this project and how to participate in it can be found on the official UGPay Group website, ugpay.group, along with white paper access and an extract from the SEC registration. Now let's move on to our next exciting part, our unique business model. It is a business model which allows anyone to be a part of the EvoRich ecosystem and earn from it. It is, of course, each individual's decision to be an active or an inactive partner to develop one or multiple projects. However, the more active you are, the bigger your income you can have. So what is this business model called? It's called multi-level crowd investing, which was created in 2014. The idea behind this model was to combine 3 different niches, providing you with a broad range of offers and opportunities. So the first is the product niche. We offer the best products and services in the market, including our exclusive education packages and access to further training and mentorship opportunities. The second is the business niche. You can become your own boss and work flexible hours from anywhere in the world, even the comfort of your own home, building a global business with multiple income streams. And the third is the investment niche, giving you an opportunity to become a co-owner of an expertly curated and professionally managed global investment portfolio and have multiple passive income streams. Now you see why the MLCI business model is so unique. We are the first company ever to have implemented such a model, and it has been working successfully since 2014. All of that for you under one brand, EvoRich. Here is one visual example, EduCafe, one of the operating projects in our ecosystem. Like in any business, there are 3 groups of people who are in some way benefiting from it. As in the case of a restaurant, clients who are enjoying the meal and service, business professionals who use the restaurant as a mobile office, who may be employees earning a salary, and co-owners who are not physically in the restaurant but are earning their percentage from the monthly profit. Now, because of the MLCI business model, we all have the opportunity to be the client, to do the business by opening restaurants, and to become the co-owner of this brand. The choice is yours. And here comes the last piece of the puzzle to see the full picture, our why. Why have we created this ecosystem and built such a unique business model? The answer to that is simple. Our mission is called the new economic evolution of the world. Please pay attention to the word evolution, which in this case means positive changes in the world. Changes to global wealth distribution, more equal distribution across all populations. Financially literate people will know how to manage their own money, will be able to create multiple income streams having both businesses and investments. Over a period of time, more and more people from all around the world will become financially free and will then be willing and able to help others. By adding value to the community with different offers and opportunities, our goal at EvoRich is to create a large global community of progressive and like-minded people. Then, all together, we can make this world a better place and leave a legacy for our future generations to enjoy. How does that sound to you? Let's now sum everything up that was just shared. The EvoRich partnership will provide you with access to the entire ecosystem and all of its brands, the ability to use the unique model of MLCI and create multiple income streams, exclusive training programs and mentoring sessions both offline and online, consistent self-development and personal growth, and the ability to create assets for you and your family, and a community of progressive and like-minded people in which to share and grow in your success. If you like what you've just heard and wish to join our fast-growing community, then here are the next steps for you to take. Get back to the person who invited you. Register for free in the EvoRich ecosystem. Select the project or projects that you are keen to participate in, attend trainings and workshops, and take actions. It's that simple. We invite you to become an EvoRich partner, joining our community of a new class of entrepreneurs, MLCI entrepreneurs. For more information, you can go over to our website, www.evo-rich.com, or the best way is to reach out to the person who showed this opportunity to you. That's it for now. We hope that this has been of value to you, and we look forward to welcoming you into our community.
Thanks, Andrew. So let's look at our EvoRich back office news and updates. There's plenty to talk about. What's hot and what's not. Have you started staking on your crypto unit blockchain wallet yet? Because if you haven't, we are celebrating, and the blockchain is open for business. What they said couldn't be done has been done. We have created a securitized asset-backed token onto the blockchain, and it is fully encrypted, and with our seed phrases and all the resources and all the trimmings and trappings of a eco wallet. Very, very slick. And thank you for your participation, Maria Antonenko, who continues to produce inside the crypto unit wallet, and with her team of developers, and an exceptional platform that is working for you, and it's live. What is hot? Currently staking CRU for CRU. Actually, it's not anymore because it was sold out. The next slide will tell you that. And there's staking for CRU for UNTB, and with various amounts. And there is more coming. Also available is the peer-to-peer exchanging as well, and more will be added over the next few weeks. Our tokens, the CRU, the UNTB, the USDU, and the World CRU are now live and are ready to be played. So get involved. What's hot? The Eventi staking tariff. As promised by the company, 3 billion CRU tokens or points were staked after opening on the 25th of March in 5.5 hours. I don't know, that's got to be some sort of world record, but geez, you talk about activity and transactions onto a blockchain, we are creating history. There is plenty of guidelines for you to catch up on our EvoRich English YouTube channel with tutorials, and also there are PDF forms for you to download from your back office. Plenty of resources. What is not is that there's only been 25% of our 1.6 million members have actually activated their blockchain. So please follow up with all your teams and help them to transition as soon as possible. Because the more you know, the more knowledge you apply to action, the more income that you can produce virtually from nothing. This is part of the digital world, the new age that we're entering into. And what is hot is the new Unitex exchange. It is a external exchange that is open for business. Again, what people said couldn't be done has been done. The Unitex exchange started operating on March the 20th, 2 p.m. Moscow time, and it is open for public business. We are adding trading pairs daily, and there is millions of transactions going on, and hundreds of thousands of dollars have been transferred every single day, and we're only just getting started. Why wouldn't we? 0.5% fees, which, if you know anything about the trading world, that is very, very sexy. So there are a few steps for you to follow. Please get back in touch with the person who brought you along here tonight. They are very simple steps, and please go slow, learn everything. Just do things chunk by chunk, piece by piece. You don't have to learn how to become a trading master overnight. It won't happen. Just do small things and conquer them, and you will learn along the way over the next number of years to become a trading master. We also had summaries early this month from our monthly public summary meeting. What's hot? Wow, these are phenomenal numbers. 243.5 million units USDs have been sold in our gross marketing plan. We have added 97.4 million units to our global investment portfolio. Most importantly, we have paid out over 120 million US dollars to our members, which total over 1.6 million. We have created 73 presidents, top of their game entrepreneurs, and we have created partners over nearly just about over 850,000 plus active partners. These are incredible numbers over the last 18 months. Please show me a company, show me an opportunity that has these numbers and these figures, and will transparently show you these figures on a monthly basis. Most companies hide behind their marketing levels and promote BS. If you're lucky, in a memo, you might get once every quarter. So I'm just saying there is a lot of transparency inside this company that you need to find out about.
Academy of a Private Investor. Who are we? We are an efficient educational system in 21st century. And every day we work hard to get
Hey Bob, nothing's playing.
how to manage money, how to multiply it and use it reasonably.
Bob,
Yeah,
nothing's playing.
I don't understand why.
We give people a complete picture of finance and investment science,
Yes.
personal development and business in 179 countries around the world. We have created and successfully use a variety of programs and workshops that help dozens of thousands of trained and successful investors to enter the market. Our students become investment advisors, portfolio managers and stock analysts. We train to find, analyze, and select tools for successful business development in 20 segments of market. We teach to create investment portfolios and manage it by applying gained knowledge in practice. We support the initiatives of our students and are always open to venture projects. We are ready to bet on the future technologies. We unite people and show the path to financial freedom. We develop you and guide to creation of a new reality according to the concept of the new economic evolution of the world. Instead of asking, how much do we earn? It is much more important to understand how we should preserve and increase earnings. And we have answers to these questions. We are the Academy of Private Investors. We have updated our brand to achieve greater efficiency, global reach, and ability to share even more knowledge. For people. For you.
Yes, so part of the great journey of education is traveling to different lands, meeting different communities and people. And those scenes coming out of Indira Gandhi Stadium in India were absolutely phenomenal. A 2-day extravaganza where myself and 17,500 other people enjoyed the presentations, the updates, and all the news that the company had to offer. And so education is the key because it opens up the doors. There are free educational and personal development packages available to you inside the EvoRich portal and the Academy of the Private Investor portal in your back office. You can start your journey in advanced trading from as little as 50 to 200 units USD. Some great quality education is already at your fingertips. My clicky mouse is very, very touchy. So the start of the Ugain product is also on the cards at the moment. It is in pre-launch right as we speak. And there is a 50% discount, 150 units to gain your license to be able to promote one of the world's most complex, intricate loyalty programs and rewarding programs for both entrepreneurs and business and consumers, and also including business owners. We have landing pages already. We have apps, business and customer apps ready. The customer app is free. The business app is by prescription. We also are in pre-launch at the moment from 15th of March, and soon we will be launching our full promotion with prizes and promotions for entrepreneurs who achieve their goals. The VIP Club and the Elite Club is running as we speak. So for as little as $10 US, you can improve your VIP status inside the API, Academy of the Private Investor. It allows you to participate in the life of the company, get regular studies, tireless increasing of their professionalism, and you get first dibs into the promotions, bonuses, and early adopters information. The new bonus withdrawal conditions for the personal account has been issued as well. We have new withdrawal banking resources inside the API, inside the EvoRich personal accounts. Very important to be able to earn the money, but it's also important to be able to withdraw it. Trophy bonuses and loyalty bonuses are being paid regularly, and our VIP loyalty program bonuses have already been paid this month. We're very excited because it pays to be a VIP. So those of you who have been to the previous events, we know that celebrations that this company puts on is hot, because the EvoRich Summit 2021 will explode onto our screens around the world across 8 countries. We will have live crosses and presentations. There will be an official part with the company and all the strategic project updates, training from all the masters inside the MLCI crowd investing platform. It's going to be a exceptional overnighter because it starts 6 a.m. 6 p.m. I'm sorry, 6 p.m. AEST, March 30th, and runs to 6 a.m. on the 31st. So it's an all-nighter, and we can't wait to be involved because we can't wait for the announcements and the trainings. So there is no greater feeling in business than building a product which impacts people's lives in a profound way. When we look around at the thousands, in our case, hundreds of thousands of people who have attended summit gatherings, it makes us smile to see the new friendships, business partnerships, and philanthropic initiatives that each event produces. A great quote from Elliot Bisnow.
The world is changing rapidly. Blockchain technologies open up new opportunities. Switzerland is one of the leading countries with a crypto economy, where UGPay Group was born. UGPay Group presents the World Crew Security Token, registered with the U.S. Securities Commission. World Crew is a digital stock, a share of the global investment portfolio. World Crew Token gives its holders 4 types of income. First, staking. This is the placement of World Crew tokens on a crypto wallet to receive a reward in the form of UNTB. UNTB is a technical token that gives access to network resources, such as RAM, CPU, and net. Second, loyalty program bonus. 5% of total token sales is credited monthly. This type of income will be available only until October 21st. Third, Pro-Fee bonus. Accrued monthly to World Crew holders from the profit that the company receives from any of its businesses in any of the investment sectors. Pro-Fee bonuses are paid in USDU, which is the company's stable coin. Each USDU token is backed by a fiat dollar. And finally, the fourth, the appraised value of the portfolio is growing rapidly, which gives rise to the price of each digital World Crew share. Planned emission 80 billion tokens. The assets that secure the World Crew token is estimated by the Crow International Company at several $1 billion with a starting price of 35 cents. Main investment areas: gold and diamonds, film industry, basalt, data mining, UK, catering, legal services, and real estate. Become a co-owner of the global investment portfolio. Create your new reality.
Another hot ticket around the world of cryptocurrency is the World Crypto Unit. It is hot because everybody is blogging about it. Everybody's talking about it. The World CRU is on many blogs around and reviews around the world, with the news BTC recently having a review article. And currently, stage 1 sales are at 29 million World CRUs as out of 45 billion as of today. On April 1st, 2021, UGPay Group enters the second stage of development, and we all know what happens with these development stage changes. The price goes up, the value of how many World CRUs you get for your investment in yourself comes down. Approximately it's a 20% decrease in the number of tokens that you will be able to gain, but the prices will be maintained and increase. And if you want to top up your wallets, please look at the global unit payment system. There is a verification qualification, and then you can enjoy the quantum clearance as well once you're fully verified inside our system. The UGPay Group have also added a crypto unit currency top up for investors with a 2% commission fee only. So think about this for the moment. Think about the ecosystem that's being created. 2021 has been a challenging time so far. 2020, well, we want to put that behind us. There are many, many opportunities out there, and there are people and projects making absolute billions and billions of dollars out of solving problems to the world. We have some of those problems solved, and we are offering a sexy cryptocurrency. Traditional crypto is very scary. We understand that, but we provide you with the education to be able to, for you to navigate those scary feelings and those scary times. So what makes the WCRU different to everything else and all the other 95% of the shiny objects out there that could be potential scams? The World CRU already has a 1.6 million person market. It is in demand. We have created that just by showing you the infrastructure and some of the results we've been in our updates. We have the potential in 2021 and beyond going public to create over 10 million entrepreneurs and users inside our eco community and a secure demand. So we have the ability to create and decide our own value. This is unique. We have 4 income streams from the one security token. This has never been done before. This is unique. So what will be your next move? The secret to getting ahead is just to get started. What's hot? Holy dooly, the express bonus for qualification is still running till August 31st, where you can earn anything up to 300 to 72,000 units USD by the end of the European summer. So rank up and then top up your wallet with the express bonus qualification. See your back office for details and or the person who introduced you here tonight. The promotion was rebooted on the 27th of November and as mentioned, running to the 31st of August this year. Just what the world community needs. How do you do it? Just find 5 people that are interested in improving their future self. Help those 5 people to find their 5 people, etc., and down the line. Profitability will then start. So they have tools and resources inside our EvoRich social media resources like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and many, many other social media platforms. We have added the UGPay group into the YouTube channel and also have a UGain dedicated YouTube channel as well. Regularly, your new introductees and even old people in the business can attend and should attend the summary meetings every Saturday, every month. First Saturday, and then the second Saturday, we have the closed club meetings, training for ambassadors and project managers for everyone to enjoy. And then the fourth Saturday, tomorrow night, will be the training for those ambassadors and project managers to become ambassadors for the local leadership councils. A great system. We've also introduced a new EIP, Education Information Product, the $1 Million Partner, where you can start your MLCI business with an exceptional training platform. The MLCI Pro main training is an upgrade from successful EvoRich Partner. This is another EIP just been added this week. So from as little as 50 units, you can update your education. The EvoRich deaf community is moving and working behind the scenes, have created some 5,000 members, and they are creating one of the largest passive income communities on earth for the deaf community. And we're very, very proud of this humanitarian project because the company cares about you and everybody else who joins our eco community. They've formed 4 informative webinars on a regular basis, 4 training webinars, 4 Q&As webinar, and EvoRich presentations in sign language. And the next one is this tonight, actually, Minsk, or early hours in the morning. See, it's 22:30 Minsk, which is Moscow, sorry. Moscow, which is, check your world time guides. And this will be in international sign languages. The Genius of Finance game has been rolled out across the planet and will continue. Over 1,000 box sets, version 2.0, have been sent out to over 50 countries. If you want to present a game, a social evening for your friends and family to enjoy, for all ages to enjoy, a business simulator, get the Genius of Finance game and learn how to create real-life business situations inside on a desktop. We also have the tabletop, should I say, not desktop, that's coming. The Edu Cafe monthly report is also very, very encouraging. We've created 13 restaurants around Europe, and there's plans for over 100 more around the world in 2021. The next closed club meeting is a must. It will be an absolute bonza. 4.5 to 5+ hours. Andre's given us the drum. He's given us a warning because there are plenty of updates to share. There are conditions around that. An NDA must be signed, and you must be an investor of 1,000 units or more, and or be a consultant and above. Great value, April 10, 3 o'clock Moscow time. And what's hot pales into insignificance if you are not taking action with the knowledge and resources that are available to you inside the eco community. So start dreaming of the life that you deserve. The evolution of richness is upon you. There are no excuses. We will listen to them, but we won't acknowledge them, because we know that there are plenty of reasons for you to be involved and to own the education and the platforms inside the EvoRich community. So it's your time to shine. It's time to stop playing small and letting your inner diamond shine. If you could do anything, what would you do? How would you stretch? How would you live your life today if you had a chance to change just a few things to make it better and better? Because this man is guiding the eco community inside the EvoRich platform. The Eventi 2020 was absolutely outstanding. Eventi 2019 was absolutely awesome. And it just continues to get better and better. The EvoRich Summit 21 will not fail to produce. We know that. So will you be there? Will you change your life? Will you continue to do what you're doing and expect a different result? No. If you want to change your life, change your thinking. Take action today, because the world CRU will not wait for anybody. In 2030, imagine lamenting what you could have done in 2021 with this token. So get back in touch with the person who invited you here for more information. Thank you for listening. That's it for the EvoRich presentation tonight, and we will open it up for Q&As with Stuart and the team.